Ja, du ska få vara med. Ja då. Naturligtvis ska du få vara med. Ja, ja då. Ska inte och mor.
Godmother.
Ja.
You're going to your godmother.
Pass.
Hi everyone. Ready for another adventure. Lalabas na naman kami. Dalawa ang bag. Lalagay pa tayo ng isang sapatos. Shall we take with us our fisketang? One. The short one.
Yeah.
Makapag-fishing if we have
Och
time.
så, så här.
Yeah, what else?
Här.
Oh yeah.
Där. Oj, det där är
Also
där.
the computer.
Yeah.
Dami naming dala. 2 days lang naman na mag-outings. 2 days only.
Mamma, här är läsbrillor mina. Where do you want to put them?
I put in the table. I will take them.
Yeah,
I will keep
okay.
it in a secure bag. Wait a minute. Power off. We are only 2 days away. Ang dami naming dala.
Okej, då går jag upp och hämtar bil.
You take with you
Va?
the sengetoy.
Ja, ja.
Og kanskje det andre format.
Ja.
Picnic bag. Ay, ang daming mga aburo-muro eh. So, stand by guys. Thank you.
And when you see it at 44 on the green side, you can pick it up.
You sit here.
Yes, thank you.
Can you put our address?
Our new Airbnb. Bago na naman. It's a villa.
Okay.
Part of,
Då bär vi in.
yeah.
Kom. Oh, one small, sleeping room.
Oh, this is the
Number
big
3.
sala. Yeah?
Yeah, go
Where
and
is
sit.
the toilet?
Oh, där.
They have big houses here. Oh, double room. 2 rooms, I mean. Storeroom. Støvsuger. Kitchen. Here is the kitchen. What is in there? Cellar? Hello?
Här är ingenting. Här.
Laundry.
Och sen här.
Pumping room. Sauna! Guys, we have a sauna. You have to...
Ja, sauna. Yes, vi ska ha sauna ikväll.
Can I? Open the tap when you start washing. That is
Open
washing.
the top when you start washing and close afterward. We shall not wash.
Yeah, we need the sauna. Very good, si Papa.
Sahar, can you answer him?
What? We are here. Nice. We have also one table here.
450 meters, turn left onto Serenpulkatu.
Turn left.
So we are now in Sweden, not yet.
Wait. Now we are in Sweden. No, now we are Finland. Turn left.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, turn left.
No. It's wrong.
Okay, go straight.
Okay, we go.
We will tell you. The next. You see?
Turn left onto Serenpulkatu.
Left.
Yeah.
In 500 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Krinikatu.
Second exit.
We have been here. Oh, they have Thai restaurant. There we are. IKEA. You said to me, Finland. We are now in Sweden.
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto Krinikatu.
Tuki na to.
Yeah. Second exit.
Tuki na to.
Second exit. Here is first. And this is the second.
So guys,
Oh, here we were
In
walking
400
also.
meters, at the
We are in
roundabout, take the second
Ikea.
exit.
yeah, we can walk also. There is
So
IKEA.
now we go into Sweden.
That's nice trees.
Yeah.
So there we are.
So now,
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
där borta. Där was.
Ah yeah, dako. So guys,
Wait, where shall we go now? Out.
go there to that roundabout.
Shall we go here?
Yes. My God. As if you are new here.
Yeah, I'm new here.
Oh, that is the church.
Proceed to the route.
Wait.
Okay.
Use the roundabout to make a U-turn.
Oh, you have to make U-turn.
Sense not there.
We need to go there. Ikesan. Ah, because we have to stop now.
Yeah.
And route. We shall go first in the supermarket, guys. Oh, it's a nice weather. Sunny, sunny. Sunny, sunny in Sweden.